I made $40,000 in 3 months flipping this house. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you the receipts. My name is Antoine Martel. I flipped over 650 houses in the last 10 years, and this is just one of those deals. So here's the game plan. Number one, I'm gonna be showing you guys the closing documents from when I bought the property and when I sold the property so you can see the actual dates. Number two, I'm gonna show you the before and after photos. Number three, I'm gonna show you the renovation bid, the actual renovation bid, how much money I paid, because you're not gonna believe how much money I spent to turn this house from the before to the after photos. And number four, I'm gonna show you the full analysis of the property so you can see how much I actually made. With that being said, let's get into it. All right, so kicking it off, this is the document from when I actually sold the property. So you can see here, the sales price, I sold the property for $110,000. I had city taxes, county taxes, settlement fees, title search, plot. So $110,000. And see, my closing cost is nothing. I sell all these houses by myself. I don't sell them with a realtor. I don't sell them with anybody else. I just sell them by myself. So when people are like, how are your closing costs only $1,500? This is why. It's only $1,500, okay? So I sold this property for $110,000. We had $1,500 in closing costs, and I got a wire for $108,000, okay? Now, I bought this property in a 3-house package. So you can see, this is the HUD, or the buying documents from when I actually bought the properties. 3 properties for $115,000, okay? So 115 divided by 3 is around $40,000 per house. I had to pay for rent, security deposits, taxes for all the houses, recording deeds, settlements, and then I had to pay $16,000 in assignment fees, okay? So it ended up being around 131 divided by 3. So it's around $43,000 per property. 3-house package, all in the same street. It was actually pretty cool. But I'm going to be showing you, one of these houses is 3,900 Danny, okay? And so I bought this house from a wholesaler. This is what the photos I got of this property. All right. Let's see. Okay. So this is how the houses looked. They were all in the same street, all right next to each other. And these are the photos that I got from a wholesaler, okay? So houses aren't in horrible condition. You know, it's dirty. They said the tenants were gonna leave. It definitely needs some cleaning up, right? But there's no holes in the wall. It's livable condition, you know? There's the attic. Thanks for that photo. Okay, so that gives you a gist. You can see there's some issues with the floor and stuff, but it's not horrible. It's not like the worst house ever, right? It just needs a couple of cleanup. This is what we actually turned the property into, okay? It looks like a different house, but we really cleaned it up, did exterior, interior work. We painted it with my typical paint that I do on the inside and the outside. Tile flooring now we put in, right? It just looks much better. Okay, so that's the renovation that we did. Again, it's not like a huge fucking renovation, but that plus some nice photos, cedar, shutters, like look at that compared to what I bought it for, right? This is what it looked like before, okay? Now, full breakdown of the numbers on this property. So we bought the house for $43,000. I'm gonna put 44. Repair cost was $21,000, right? We sold it for $110,000, project management fees, utility expenses, holding costs, closing costs. This is closing costs for buying it and for selling it, right? Because selling it was $1,500, buying it was again $1,500. It's kind of looped in here. So I made $40,000 in profit, okay? Now, let's look at the dates, right? This is, I bought this one on April 7th, okay? So 4/7/2021. And I sold it 7/26/2021. 3 months later. This deal took me 3 months to buy it, renovate it, rent it out, and sell it. Insane, right? Okay, cool. Now, you guys are not going to believe me on the rehab bid, $21,000 in renovation bid. Maybe you will. I get a lot of people saying that there's no way that my renovation cost could be that much, etc. So this is the actual renovation bid. You can see it says $17,000, clean up interior, paint, bathroom, kitchen, repair holes in the wall, remove wall heaters, pressure wash, remove 2 back storages, paint exterior, right? So interior, exterior paint, cleaning up the bathroom, replace the kitchen cabinets, $17,000 for that renovation. This is the full numbers of the property here, okay? And this is just one of the 650 deals that I have done. If you want to go and find deals like this, I would recommend going to flipsystem.com. We have a free software. You can come in here, find deals just like this that you can buy, rehab, rent, and resell, or do fix and flips. So if you want to do some fix and flips, I would highly recommend coming to this website, coming to this marketplace, and you can click on different inventory across the country that has these very similar numbers, right? Whether you're doing it all cash or using hard money, if you need more help, feel free to comment down below in the comments. Like, to do this kind of deal, what would you need? Do you need deals? Do you need the local team on the ground? Do you need the software? Like, what do you need and what's stopping you? And I really want to make this video in the comment section about helping you get into your first deal, because I know this video is super short. If you like this video, then please give it a like and share it with a couple of friends. The more that this video gets in terms of views, it means that you guys like it. Also, if you want more videos, click on this one right here. YouTube thinks you'll like it.